Hey everyone! Ito na nga ang next destination namin, ang Sea of Flowers. Ayan, isa rin sa tourist attraction in Taiwan. Sea of Flowers in Cincy is held annually during November 9 to December 1. So ayun lang guys, ito yung mag-welcome sa inyo yung mga malalaking sunflower. At ito nga yung time nila, 8:30 hanggang 4:30 ang schedule nila. Matatagpuan lamang ito sa Sising Street, Cincy District, Taichung City. And then the Taichung City Government Tourism Bureau introduced a new highlight this year, the Cosmic Flower Landscape Installation Art, inviting visitors on a whimsical journey to experience the marvels of nature and creatively combined. Kaya pala pagpasok namin dito may music. Kaya samahan nyo ako, libutin na natin itong nilandscape nilang mga flowers, iba't ibang colors ang makikita nyo dito. Kaya talaga nakakabusog din talaga sa mga mata. Yung iba nga pala mga bulaklak hindi pa talaga nagbo-bloom. Siguro mga katapusan ito magbo-bloom na talaga sila kasi malamig-lamig na din. So ayan, against the lights, hiniling kasi namin nung paalis kami ng bintong, magandang araw. Ang binigyan naman sa amin, tirik na araw. Kaya for sure lahat ng pumunta dito nung Sunday, sunog na sunog kayo no, sobrang init. Grabe. And then pahirapan din talaga sa pagsiselfie dahil sobrang daming tao, crowded talaga. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, huwag kayong pumunta ng Sunday, weekdays kayo pumunta for sure kung kaunti lang yung tao dyan. So ito nga guys, dito kami sa likod kasi dun sa harap is against the lights talaga, hindi mo talaga mabibidyohan ng maganda. Ang galing nila gumawa ng ganyan no, super creative talaga ang mga Taiwanese. Kaya ganito na lang talaga ginawa namin, selfie video na lang, sariling sikap, diba? O ayan, ang gaganda ng mga flowers. Tapos ito, ang cute nito. Gusto ko talaga ng flowers na to. Ang liit niya. So, just enjoy the view at dadalhin ko kayo hanggang dulo. Lilibutin natin to.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you take me under. For you I surrender, you make me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under, boy, you got me fond of you. Boy, you got me I can't ignore it, I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live again, I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh, you let me fly, you let me go, oh, I'm gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave it. The ride of your life, don't ever stop. Give me your touch, give me your love, give it some more. I'm losing my sanity, you take me under. For you I surrender, you make me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under, boy, you got me fond of you. Boy, you got me in love, I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me, I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live again, I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh, you let me fly, you let me go, oh, I'm gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave it. You got my soul, oh, you let me fly, you let me go, oh, I'm gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave it.
O diba, ang ganda, kaya arat na rin kayo dito guys. Grabe, sobrang init. So winish kasi namin na magandang panahon kasi ang binigay talaga sa amin ay tirik na araw. Ito nang last stop namin dito sa Sunwell, factory ng mga wine. So dadaan lang kami dito guys. Tinitinda din nila yung wine, ay pwede rin kayo bumili dito. O diba, sari-saring flavor nandito na. Magsi-CR lang naman kami dito kasi ito na yung pinaka-last stop. And then pinapasok kami dito sa wine tasting room. O diba, dito kami titikim ng alak at ito nga itatry ko. Isa lang naman itong tinatry ko. Ang pait. At ito na guys, pauwi na kami this time. Ang favorite kong band yan pa ang music, Sweet Notes, diba? So ayan, dumaan na kami dito sa Pinoy Store, o diba, naghahanap kami ng sinigang at mabuti na lang meron. Lakas talaga ng fighting spirit namin. Kanina wini-wish lang namin magandang araw, pero tarik na araw ang binigay. Tapos ngayon sinigang, meron nga. Ayan lang naman, bye, be kind. Till next time!